Okay, so today we're going to have a look at a couple of knives that I bought. I'm updating some of my knives in my collection. So I bought a couple from, one from Dalstrong, and I've bought a few more of these from Zelite, but we'll have a look at both. Now the first one I've got is a utility knife. Now this is by Alpha Royal. Let's open this up. So the box itself's got a little magnet on the side. Nice looking box, to be honest. That's on the back of it. Now this is the utility knife, the 6-inch utility knife. So I'll open that up. This is how it comes in the box. So you get a little just shows you the different range of knives in there that you can get, and it gives you, if you look at this here, it's telling you what the angle is on the different types of knife sets that they do. So this is the Alpha Royal Japanese series one. They do like a German type metal as well, but this is the Japanese, which is telling me it's got an angle, a sharpening angle on that of 12 to 15. So we'll have a quick look inside. Let's get this knife out. Right, now if we look at the knife itself, it says up here, Japanese AUS 10 Super Steel 67 layers, and they use like a nitrogen cooling process on this particular type of knife to get it to this standard. It's got a rock-wool hardness of 61 plus or minus 1, so it's quite hard, a hard steel. So this is the utility knife. To look at it, it's a very nice effect to it. You've got like the Damascus steel pattern on it. Little tiny hill there. The butt of it, there's nothing on the butt on the Alpha Royal series. Sometimes you get some sort of logo on there. I know you have on the Dalstrong. It's got 3 rivets in it. This centre one seems to be like a brass effect. I'll get a close-up of that so that you can have a quick look at the pattern on it. So there we can see hopefully you can see that is the centre brass rivet. It's got like little cogs. Hopefully that's filming that. Now this has got a G10 handle on it, and the light's not particularly brilliant in here, I'm sorry to say. Let's stand up. You can see the Zelite logo on it. If I turn this, you can probably just see that Damascus pattern on there. And this is stainless steel, so you'll be getting no rust on it. It's got, like I say, it's got the G10 handle, which is a glass fibre type epoxy. So I've not put it in the dishwasher, but keeping it clean will be quite easy on this. So yeah. Okay, so looking at the overall quality of the knife, it's very nice quality. I believe this was around £80 in the UK. The actual blade is very sharp, very sharp blade on that. The overall quality I like. So if you're looking for a nice quality utility knife, that's one to maybe consider. I did want to get a boning knife from Zelite as well, but couldn't get one of those. It doesn't look like they're actually selling them in the UK at the moment. They've either run out of stock or not producing them anymore. But that is the utility knife. So we'll now have a look at the Dalstrong boning knife. Okay, so this is the Shogun series by Dalstrong. It's normally got a plastic wrapper over that, but I've taken that off already. So I'll put that up there. Now, totally different type of colour box than the Zelite one. And that has got a magnetic flap as well, the same as the Zelite. Right, now inside we've got a Shogun series badge, if you're interested in that. In here we've got a sort of like fine microfiber cloth. Not sure how long that's going to last, but it says Dalstrong on it and AU10V Japanese super seal. So both these knives, both the Zelite and the Dalstrong, are actually made in China, but the metal they use is from Japan. Also in this box we get a little pamphlet showing you the different knife series they've got, which Dalstrong produce. So there's loads of different knives they produce. We've got a VIP membership card that you can join or apply for, and we've also got a Dalstrong happy or not happy. If you're not happy, then neither are we. Help our team. So yeah, and it's if you're not happy with it, you can get in contact with their team, and no doubt they'll try and solve your problem for you. Right, so if we have a look inside, let's close this down. Right, so this one comes with a sheath, a knife guard, a blade guard. So you pull that out, and that will release this off. So if you're going to put this into a drawer, stop it getting chipped. Mine go on a magnetic rack, so I'm not going to use this. So let's have a quick look at the knife. It's very similar to the Zelite. I wouldn't say they're made in the same factory, but who knows. This centre brass rivet looks exactly the same as the one that's on the Zelite. But the handle is, I don't know, it's a little bit of a different feel to the handle. But it's the same G10 handle as well, so it's the glass fibre epoxy resin type. I believe this is 67 layers as well on this. It's AUS 10V Japanese super steel, and like I say, it's this Shogun series. If we look at the butt of the knife, that is actually better finish, I think, than the Zelite. It's got a stamp on it as well, showing the Dalstrong emblem. We've got the Masters pattern as well. I'm hoping it picks up in this light in here, because it's quite bright in here at the moment. Hopefully you can see that. The tip of the knife is absolutely razor sharp, which it should be on a boning knife. Flexibility wise, yeah, there's some flex in it. Not loads of flex, but then it's not a filleting knife, it's a boning knife, so it's going to be a little bit less flexible. But overall, the actual look at it is very nice looking. The weight of the knife, nice weight to it, and it feels nice in the hand as well. Full tang, the same as the Zelite knife, which has also got a full tang on it. Like I say, the blade is very sharp, very sharp. So yeah, I am, out of the two, hard to separate the two of them. You get a little bit more inside the Dalstrong with the badges and the knife guard sheath as such. And this is a little bit more, I think Dalstrong are a little bit more expensive than Zelite, but to be honest, the quality is pretty much, they're both about the same. So that's a look at the boning knife, the Dalstrong boning knife. So yeah, a quick video by myself on these. So if anybody's in the market for getting a new kitchen knife or a boning knife or whatever, have a look at these two manufacturers. You can get them on, I bought mine through Amazon. You probably get different deals on them at different times. But yeah, nice quality knife, which can only help the way you prepare food. So yeah, there's a quick little video on these two knives, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Thanks for watching.